He's like, hey, can you just let me go and do my thing? You know what I think that this area really needs right now? A yoga pose. Like, I'm gonna put this on my Tinder.
Oh, what's up?
Well, it's right on the verge of being too hot out there right now. So I decided to test out my solar setup. I've never actually disclosed so far, I believe, the build of my solar setup in detail, but I am quite glad that I decided to spend the coin that I did to upgrade my battery bank, because right now I'm sitting in 67 degrees and I've been running my air conditioning unit for the last hour, and right now I'm only down 2% of my battery, and I figured out a trick on how to do that. So what I do is I set my air conditioning unit to medium or low, and then the temperature gauge, I have it on medium as well. So it will run with the compressor on. It'll run for approximately 13 minutes, and then when the compressor turns off and it's just a fan running, I'm burning around 700 watts. So this hat is kind of ridiculous in here, by the way, too. I'm gonna just get rid of that. So anyway, I find it to be the most efficient way to keep my camper cool while prolonging my battery life as long as possible. So I'm going to run this air conditioning unit for about 3 or 4 hours to see where my batteries are at. Right now it's about 3 o'clock. Maybe I'll just run it for another 2 hours so that I can get some of that late evening sun and reacquire some of the lost energy. That's pretty dang cool. I'm starting to really dig this whole solar technology thing, although this thing is loud. Alrighty, well, I think it's been at least 2 to 3 hours or so, and I've burned through a whopping 10% of my battery while running my air conditioner, and it's managed to stay a nice comfortable 69.8 degrees in here. So that's kind of cool. No pun intended. There you are. Hi, you. Alrighty, so, okay, hi. So, I'm making my way down to Moab, and I'm gonna go the back route, I guess you could call it, which is Sandflats Road. Since we're already 10 miles down into this road, it makes more sense to drive the last 15 miles on this road than it is to go 10 miles back up this road and then 26 miles around via the LaSalle Loop Road. Just after I left, I saw a snake, and initially I thought it was a rattlesnake, but upon closer inspection, it was a rat snake, I believe. Come here, little guy. Come on, little guy. Here, get this. It's not a rattler. It's just
Are you recording?
yeah. It's just a little. Isn't that cool? Friendly little bugger. He's like, hey, can you just let me go and do my thing? Actually, he was trying to cross the road over here. That was a pretty chill snake. He didn't try to bite me or anything. Cool. Sweet, caught my first snake this year. So my friend and I, we took a quick trip down to Moab. I don't know if I disclosed the reason why we did that, but if I didn't, it's because I had re-up on some water and the shitter was full. I also wanted to bring Larry a pizza from my favorite restaurant here in Moab, which is called Antica Forma. And it's a traditional Neapolitan style Italian restaurant. This road is rough. I need to air down my tires. Jesus, this is bad. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. We're making our way back up the mountain, and let's see what Larry thinks of traditional Neapolitan style, if that's how you say it, Italian-ish Neapolitan pizza. All right. Let's see what kind of chaos is inside. Oh, Lord. Oh, no. It's a disaster. Well, I tell you, I may be one of the few people that actually pushes these Northern Lights to and beyond their limits. Because, yeah, it's kind of a little bit of a disaster in here. It's not bad though. Operation Get Larry Pizza is now officially underway. Got it in my faux Cambro here. Oh, it just so happens that Larry's actually outside right now.
Yeah. Oh, hey. Thanks. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah.
Try a slice.
Right now?
Just a little guy. Just a bite.
Oh, yeah.
Good?
That's really good. Very good.
Heck yeah. You're welcome. Look at this view. Oh my Lanta.
Wow.
Dude, whoa. Dude, whoa. Dude, whoa, bro. That's a drop off and a half right there. Holy. Starting to get dizzy. Oh man. Yeah, you don't have to worry about living if you fall down that. Whew. Whew.
Should be both locked.
Do a handstand.
Yeah.
You know what I think that this area really needs right now? A yoga pose.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna put this on my Tinder. That is a cool.
Man, this is legit. Like right where we saw the lights, right?
All right, so for today's meal, I brought up a pork shoulder roast from Montana, from a local rancher. I'd also like to state that despite my best efforts in regards to keeping my truck camper clear of fur, I'm losing that battle right now. Because you, boop, just won't stop shedding. It's that time of the season, as I said in my previous video. This is the first time that I've ever actually smoked a pork shoulder and made pulled pork. It smells very, very good. That honey garlic rub, that is, my mouth is watering right now. All right, I'm just gonna wash my hands here. Get ready to bring this over to Larry. It's the meat cam shot.
Hey, all right. That's beautiful.
Yeah, doesn't it look good?
Yeah. There's a hair on it though.
Living with a double coat dog, I've come to accept a certain amount of hairs per bite. Sorry, Larry. That's all good.
It won't take long to do that.
Yeah, we can just... Look at that fancy thing. Oh my God.
That's probably back a little bit.
I'll just turn it this way. Don't worry, I've been drinking.
I am a professional.
Well, I mean, I am a professional. I'm a carpenter. This is the biggest problem with being left-handed, is I don't know which way to go. Do you go this way or this way?
Well, I'm left-handed, but I do everything right-handed. That's why I'm not good at anything.
If you're left-handed but you do everything right-handed, that makes you a right-hander.
Yeah, but I write with my left hand. But I play all sports and guitar and all that other stuff. Whatever I do is all right-handed.
What about, do you throw a ball?
Right-handed.
Really?
Yeah. Golf, everything.
Good trader.
I was taught right-handed, but I'm a left-handed person. It wasn't my fault.
Did you grow up in the Catholic Church?
No.
They'll beat that shit out of you. Left-handers are the devil.
You got this.
Do you like my key eye?
Is that what that was?
Yeah, it's a key eye.
Oh.
Key eye! Wow, it's almost as if I've done this before.
What kind of wood is that?
It's pine.
Is it?
Yeah. Shit.
If you need to take over cutting wood for you, I can.
I'm so tired already.
I know, it's hard. Carpenters aren't used to that hard work.
You gotta give a good key eye. Remember.
No, I'm good.
No, you have to. It's mandatory. Oh. Oh.
We can cut that one out.
I actually included one where I hit the handle too. It's
I'm trying
okay.
to squint while I do it. That's the problem. All right.
We all make mistakes.
Can't do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, you have your safety squints on, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want a little guy? I'll get it. I got it.
Go, Larry, go.
She got a knot in her.
You got her. I believe in you. You can do it. I don't know if I'd want to use that little guy, though, for that.
Oh, you could do it one-handed, probably.
That thing is...
I believe in you.
Well, thank you. Dude, there is a knot right here.
No, there's not.
No, there's not. This big knot right here. And I'm pretty sure a beaver ate the top of this. I don't know if I could do this with this little guy.
Look at that.
Watch out, girl. Oh, into the fire! We are winning. Oh, yeah. We're doing man stuff, Larry.
Yeah. I feel like I need to spit or something. Just to make it more manlier.
Just look at that meat. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good tonight. Eventually. Turned out to be a very late evening already. It's pushing 11:15 right now. And we basically gave up on waiting for it to be completely done. It's still cooked, but with it not being quite done all the way, what are your thoughts, Larry?
I think it's still good. I mean, at least it's enough temperature that we shouldn't get sick, but it's just not super tender. But I mean, at this point, I don't care. It's too late. I'm just so late.
Yeah.
I would have probably ate it raw.
Yeah, so unfortunately, I did not see on the instructions right here where it says cooking until the internal temperature of the pork reads between 201 and 203, or until the thermometer probe slides into the pork like softened butter. This step can take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. That's the fun part about barbecue. It's done when it's done. It's so much fun. Yay! Well, it's not fun. So, yeah, we kind of tore into it a little bit here. The flavor's there. It's tasty. It tastes more like a pork tenderloin right now than it does pulled pork, but it's food. Well, it's pretty good food still. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye, Larry. So, decided to go for a little walk in the beautiful desert here that's in the campground, because what I really want to find is another snake. Preferably not a rattler, but it'd be cool to find one of those too. It's really cool being able to travel to a place like this and get to see all kinds of new sources of life and how it survives in such a harsh environment. Yeah, it's just really neat to be able to see all this cool stuff, you know, cacti and these yellow flowers. I'm not sure what they are. They kind of look like arrowroot though, which is quite prevalent, because you could almost say omnipresent in the high deserts of Montana. One thing that's really interesting about this area specifically is this right here. I believe it's called crypto biome, or I know it's not cryptosporidium because that's a virus or a disease. But what's really neat about this is this crypto, it grows and it takes sometimes centuries to grow even into what you see right here. The downside of it is very fragile. So when you're out here on the desert, you have to really mind your step to not disturb the crypto, because the crypto actually prevents erosion from happening and protects the desert floor. I didn't know about that until a couple years ago. And I'm glad that I found out about it, because as much as I like off-roading and having fun, I also don't want to destroy this beautiful environment that I find myself in right now. Hey, doggo. You a happy girl? Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Up here. Up. You missed the objective there, girl. It's right here. Yes, thank you. Thank you for all the dirt. That's great. All right. Look at that. Wow. I don't think I'll scramble up that part. But over here, looks like I can get up this no problem. Oh man, I tell you what, going for a little hike makes one realize, hey, come on back. Makes one realize just how out of shape I am. Whew. I've been wanting to come up here for days. It's such a beautiful, beautiful area. What a treat it is to just every once in a while get off the motorized vehicle and go for a quick little walk, even if it's not that long. Kind of just, I don't know, almost helps you just slow down and, hey, collect your thoughts, which frankly I'm a little bit afraid of doing. But give yourself the opportunity to slow down and collect some thoughts. Watch out for that left side, girl. Going down. Go. Oh yeah, she descended that like a true mountain dog. Good job, Zeta. Good girl. You good girl? Is a particularly spectacular evening right now. It's actually snowing on us right now for some reason. What an unusual evening it is. Alrighty, it's been a great experience here with Larry. Last night, our come on. Last night, our pork roast. It wasn't botched. We just weren't able to keep it on the smoker long enough. So it was kind of a pork tenderloin of sorts. But tonight, I decided to heat it back up and let it hang out in the oven for a couple hours. And then I added some potatoes and carrots, and it's looking a lot better.
Oh, yeah.
Get that money shot, baby. Ooh, yeah. So we're going to plow down on this and maybe go back out to the fire and close out the night. And it just so happens that tonight is our last night that we're going to be hanging out together. So, we're going to say goodbye tomorrow, of course, but it's been a great experience. Thank you, Larry, for coming.
Yeah, thanks for the invite. It's been a lot of fun.
I don't want to delay this anymore because that smells so good.
Action.
And action! Oh, yeah. Look at that there pork roast. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if it'll fall apart if I just do this. Kinda. It's wanting to.
But it's close.
Yeah, it's dang near fall apart tender.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Who needs a knife, huh? Oh, dude. This is going to be so good. I can't wait to eat this. It's just you can smell the applewood that it was smoked with last night, and it's just emanating in my whole camper right now. These potatoes have been just kind of hanging out in the juices of the pork. So,
yeah, my mouth is watering.
I'm salivating. This is gonna be good.
Oh, what's up?
Coming at you.
Yeah.
Ah!
Extreme.
It's extreme. You were talking about how you don't like shorts.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I got a pair of shorts that you might actually like. They would fit you too. They'll fit you perfect. Maybe this is serendipitous because I found them. I think you'll turn your you'll turn your perspectives around on shorts as soon as you see these.
What are these, capris or something?
No. God no. Capris are just short pants.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Denim.
Dude, you can't find those anymore at the store.
Denim shorts, man. They're all the new rave. Right?
Woo!
Freaking game changer, man. Look at those bad boys. Oh yeah.
Why haven't you worn those yet?
Because they're hot, for one, and then secondly,
Jorts, right? Is that what they call them?
only senior citizens wear.
Shh, don't say that.
Sorry. I shouldn't have said that. I probably pissed off a lot of viewers. I apologize. I apologize.
I just woke up to 0 subscribers.
It goes from 9,000 to just 20.
You're like, I don't even know I can go in the negative. I don't know how I could get negative subscribers.
It's just like 20 women that have husbands that wear these pants that just hate them. Like, why are you wearing those things again?
That's all I used to wear back in the day was jean shorts.
Oh yeah.
I had like painter shorts, you know. Those were the thing, man.
They are an antiquated but practical short. I will give them that.
Yeah.
The night is coming to an end. Unfortunately, I forgot to grab a bottle of Vicks certified bona fide maple tree juice for Larry. So I have this delicately used bottle of Vicks certified bona fide maple tree juice that I'm going to hand off to Mr. Larry as a token of my appreciation for him dealing with me. So, here we go.
It's truly an honor and a privilege to accept this half-used bottle.
Hey, that's 5/8.
Vic's certified bona fide tree juice that I'm 50% sure you haven't put your mouth on. So I appreciate it. I really do. I will utilize it respectively. I'd like to thank the little people.
that create the tree juice.
Yeah, and you. And it's truly an honor.
It's mostly my brother, actually.
And thank you, your brother.
Yep.
Yeah, it was mostly him. He did most of the work. I was just mostly there for, this. Anyway, we're going to enjoy this wonderful fire. This is the last night that we're going to be hanging out together, so we're going to have to go our separate ways until next time. Hopefully sooner than later, sooner than the last time that we met up. And
I'm just shaking shit out of my teeth.
yeah. I better turn up the light for that.
Yeah, that's real nice.
Isn't it? Oh no, and it died. Oh.
She back on.
Oh my God. They need to do something about that light. That is ridiculous. Oh wow. Yeah, you were lying that one night that I brought this thing out.
It's bright.
That is intense. I don't know where this is going at this point. I'm kind of lost. So maybe we'll just end it here. And I'll see you in the morning.
And
Bye.
scene.
All right. Well, it was a great time here in Moab hanging out with you, Larry. So I appreciate you coming down. And
Yeah, thanks for the invite. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
And
good food, good times.
great oldies.
Great weather.
It's been beautiful here.
Yeah, couldn't complain.
But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.